how to fix the Bluetooth not working issue on MagicOS 8. So first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And after that the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after turning on and off the Bluetooth, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then tap on this 3 dot more option on the top right corner, and from this menu tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now open the app and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear the memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory, the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while using Bluetooth, then the last solution is open settings one more time and then scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates. Now tap on software update and then check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.